Right, it is stupid o'clock on a Sunday morning. We're going to be taking a little trip to Lumberjack today. Okay, so why now, I hear you ask? Why, after all of this time of me doing this and Lumberjack being open, am I now taking a visit to the shop? Well, today, the 29th of March 2026, they have decided to open on a Sunday for the very first time. Now, because of that, they are also doing some lovely little discounts on some of their items. I'm not sure what discounts they're doing on table saws and things, because obviously it's a fairly new item, it's a big item as well, but I figure it's still worth a chance, still worth a try popping up, saying hi. I've been meaning to do it for ages anyway. But anyway, we're going to go up, have a look, see the guys, say hi, and see what I can get for a table saw. I've got some vouchers to use, and we're just going to see what we can get. But I will be coming home with one of their lovely cast iron top table saws. I don't know which version I'm going to get, the full cast iron top or not, I'm not sure yet. But we are going to be getting a table saw in the back of this car today. So I have been driving for almost 2 hours now. That's 150 odd miles. And this is the first services in all of that time since where I live in Wolverhampton that has a McDonald's on this side of the motorway. And that is absolutely ridiculous because I am starving. I had to stop because I need the loo, but luckily it does have a McDonald's, so I'm going to get some breakfast. Ruthlessness is mercy upon ourselves. You are the worst kind of breed because you're not even raised. Made it. Lumberjack Tools. Let's go and see what they've got, shall we? Okay, so I am now here in my very special area that I am slightly falling in love with. You've got all the lovely, amazing bandsaws on the wall. No, not bandsaws, lathes. That's the one that I've got, I think. Pretty sure. And that is the planar thickness I've got. Apart from that is the helical head one, which I wish I could upgrade to, but can't. So I might actually pick up a filtration system today because they're doing a damn good price on it. Same with belt sander, and go around. Obviously the big bandsaws, I want one of those. That is the big dust collection, that's what I want. I've got similar to this sort of size at the moment. Or the drum sander, I could literally spend all of my money in here today and it is not good. Warehouse out the back with all the bits and bobs in it. I don't remember who made some of these projects. That could be Sneaks. Not sure, can't remember. Not sure that one. I know that little cup you saw at the beginning, I think it's probably Kate's. But I didn't know they did a lot of auto jack stuff. So I might have a look at some of that's mine. that little beast is coming home with me today, definitely. This baby is coming home with me today.
It's so pretty.
This was my original lathe that I had that I started out. I sold that one and ordered to buy the other one, but that is a really good starting lathe if you want to just learn and have a practice. All their lovely corded hand tools. And then you go on to some of the battery stuff. I'm tempted to have pick up some of these, I really am. Oh look, is their mortiser. I do like that. That would be really helpful with the hammerheads. It means I wouldn't have to leave a gap, I can just do a solid block head instead. Do I pick up something else at the same time? I don't know. I shouldn't. Ooh. Lunchbox thicknesser, very nice. If I was starting again, I had the Triton version of this. I don't think they have that sort of shape, but that is a beautiful machine, so I'd probably pair that with something like that rather than doing what I did last time. So yeah, so they're going to be doing this every Sunday for the foreseeable future, and then you can come down, get some good prices. These are all return items or things that haven't been used, boxes that are slightly damaged. Check out their Facebook, YouTube and Instagram page and TikTok for all the details, but it's all really good quality stuff that's maybe just the box needs a bit of TLC and things like that. But come down, get a cracking deal on what you need, especially if you're looking for some of these big end purchases that are going to be a bit pricier, because some of these are £1,000 plus, but you can get a fairly good deal today. So every Sunday, 10 till 2. I'll put descriptions in the comments and things like that. But yes, come and have a look. So this is the Pro Series PDE 1500 dust collector. Separate motor compared to the rest of the body, unlike these ones that are all sort of built in. But that is a beautiful bit of kit. And once I get my shed at the back of the workshop done, that will definitely be going in there. 100%. This is the PT 305H. I don't have the H version, but this is the helical head version. You can see that beautiful helical head there, which will make your cutting so much smoother than just straight blades. Really nice. Once this is hooked up to the dust extractor, it is a perfect machine for planing thicknessing. Not massively expensive, you're looking at about £1,000 for one of these, but you won't need anything else again. It does both the head, the sides lift up, and you can use it as the thicknesser. Lovely bit of kit. This is in my shop. Again, not the helical head version. This is my one. So rather than the helical head that you've got next door, this is just the straight blade one. You gonna say hi? This is the VSL 305 along with the 100 wood turning chuck. I have this one at home. This is the one I have at home. Variable speed, really nice, cuts beautifully, and with the upgraded chuck, you can hold anything in it. I'm going to be using this for the mini mallet heads. I cannot wait to get this set up properly. I've used it, I've tested it. I just haven't been able to knock anything out yet. But that was a lovely bit of kit, and it is not expensive at all. This is the DS460 VS 18-inch variable speed drum sander. This is on my wish list. I would like one of these so I don't have to sand things. It's a lovely bit of machinery, nice, compact, and it will do you perfectly for your drum sanding needs. Save you getting out a palm sander and sanding things, especially if you're making chopping boards or anything like that. What I like this for is to be able to do my long swords all in one go. Right, this is my last thing before I go home. Thank you very much to all the guys at the Lumberjack stop. They have treated me really well. I've got some lovely things. You can see the table saw is in the back, ready to go home. I may have also picked up the full cast iron sides and an air filter, because why not? But yeah, so if you are in the area, it's Wolverhampton sort of area, I'll put some details in the description. Come along to the shop, or especially if you're around on a Sunday, they're doing the return stocks. That's why I've come today, to get some good stock. Once the stock is gone, it is gone. You may even run into a celebrity, because Sneaks is in there doing some amazing stuff. He works well with Lumberjack, but I am now going to go for almost 3-hour drive home. Hopefully I won't fall asleep. But anyway, I'll see you on whatever I'm doing next. Bye.